Hey, good morning, everyone. Nick here, NIC with Johnson RV out of the Medford, Oregon location. Came in this beautiful Saturday morning here in Southern Oregon and saw this 2020 Leisure Travel Unity 24CB corner bed on the Sprinter chassis. It is available at the Medford location. It is a diamond. Full body paint as usual on the Leisure Travels, very high quality. With the corner bed, you get an awesome amount of exterior storage located right here on the passenger side. You've got the Truma, as always. Taking a look at the inside, all the upholstery is beautiful. It is a diamond. It's got the dinette slide, the white front forward facing cabinets. All the upholstery is set to match. All the updated features, again, on the 2020 chassis with the larger screen, adaptive cruise, heated seats. Nice appliances, corner bed, very usable. Large corner bath. Again, this is the 24CB at Johnson RV. 2-burner cooktop, deep stainless steel sink. Crazy amount of interior storage in the very usable Leisure Travel. Check it out at johnsonrv.com and have a great day.